Welcome to Review Rumble. The best kindergarten nap mat is probably one of the most essential items for ensuring your little one gets the restful, comfortable sleep they need during their busy school day, providing a cozy, familiar space that helps ease the transition from home to classroom and supports their overall well-being and learning readiness. Number 5. Wildkin Kids Nap Mat with Pillow. Drifting off to slumber is a breeze when your child is snuggled up in this cozy mat. It's ideally sized to keep them comfortable and secure during their rest time. Designed for children aged 3 to 7, it's perfect for daycare, preschool, kindergarten, or even family travel. It provides a familiar and comfortable spot wherever they need to rest. Crafted from a blend of cotton and polyester, it's resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use. This combination also makes it breathable for ultimate comfort. Spills are no problem with this mat. It's easy to remove and completely machine washable, protecting the entire mat and making cleanup a breeze for parents. Recognized for excellence, this product is a Mom's Choice Award recipient. It sets the benchmark for family-friendly items, giving you peace of mind. Your child will love its fun designs, which perfectly match other Wildkin items like backpacks and duffel bags. They can have a complete, coordinated set. What we like. This mat is incredibly easy to clean, making post-nap messes a non-issue. If you are looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience and durable quality, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for busy parents who value convenience and reliability. What people say. Number 4. ECR4 Kids Premium Folding Rest Mat. Introducing the ECR4 Kids Premium Folding Rest Mat. It's designed for comfort and convenience, perfect for nap time or quiet activities. This mat features a smart 3-section folding design. It makes storage and transport incredibly easy, fitting neatly into any space. Experience superior comfort with its generous 2-inch thickness. This sleeping pad provides excellent cushioning for a restful experience. Whether for daycare, preschool, or home use, it serves as an ideal sleeping pad. Children will love its soft and supportive surface. It comes in a vibrant blue and red color combination, adding a cheerful touch to any room. This mat is both practical and visually appealing. Crafted with premium materials, it's built to last. Cleaning is a breeze, ensuring hygiene and longevity for years of use. What we like. This mat stands out with its generous 2-inch thickness, offering superior comfort. If you prioritize maximum cushioning and support for your child's nap time, this mat is ideal. Its robust construction also ensures long-lasting use for active kids. What people say. Number 3. Stephen Joseph Toddler All-Over Print Nap Mat. Make nap time an adventure for your little one with this delightful nap mat. It's designed to bring comfort and joy to every rest, whether at home or on the go. Your child will love choosing from a variety of vibrant, kid-approved patterns. These playful designs make nap time something to look forward to every day. This mat is a single, connected piece, making it incredibly easy to manage. It features simple hook and loop straps and a handy front pocket for extra treasures. Snuggle up with its soft, fuzzy blanket and rest your head on the included pillow. This cozy setup ensures plenty of sweet dreams and a truly comfortable nap. Crafted with a polyester exterior, it's built to withstand daily use. Plus, it's completely machine washable, making cleanup a breeze for parents. Measuring 20 by 50 inches with an extra-wide 38-inch blanket, it provides ample space. Its attached straps also make carrying effortless for small hands. What we like. This mat comes with an attached soft, fuzzy blanket and a removable pillow, providing an all-in-one cozy sleep solution. If you want a complete, snuggly setup that's easy for little ones to manage, this is a fantastic option. The integrated pocket also adds a nice touch for carrying small treasures. What people say. Number 2. Wake-in Cloud Toddler Nap Mat, Galaxy Spaces. Launch your little one into a world of cozy dreams with this enchanting nap mat. It features a captivating galaxy theme, complete with stars, planets, and rockets, perfect for inspiring young explorers. This innovative mat offers ultimate convenience, integrating a sleeping mat, a soft blanket, and a removable pillow into one compact package. It's perfectly sized for children aged 3 to 6, ensuring they have everything they need for a restful nap. Designed for busy families, it easily rolls up and secures with a hook and loop fastener. A convenient carry handle and integrated name card make it ideal for preschool, daycare, or exciting sleepovers. Crafted from 100% cotton fabric and filled with high-grade polyester, this mat provides exceptional breathability and durability. Your child will enjoy a peaceful and comfortable sleeping experience, night after night. Keeping it fresh is simple. Just remove the pillow insert, machine wash it in cold water on a gentle cycle, and then tumble dry on low or air dry. This ensures it's always ready for the next adventure. What we like. Crafted from 100% cotton fabric, this mat offers a breathable and soft sleeping surface. If you prefer natural materials for your child's comfort and skin, this is an excellent choice. Its thoughtful design includes an integrated name card, making identification easy in busy daycare settings. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get relevant points. Number 1. KinderMat 1.5-inch 4-section rest mat. Discover the KinderMat, a 1.5-inch thick, 4-section rest mat designed for superior comfort. It provides a soft and supportive surface for your child's rest time. This mat features a clever 4-section design, making it easy to fold and store. Its red and blue color scheme is also visually appealing for children. It's incredibly versatile, making it ideal for various environments. Whether at school, daycare, or even during travel, it ensures a comfortable spot for your little one. Bring it home for quiet time or pack it for family trips. This mat offers a consistent, clean, and comfortable resting place wherever you go. You can trust in its quality, as it is 100% made in the USA. This commitment to domestic manufacturing ensures high standards and durability. What we like. This mat is proudly 100% made in the USA, ensuring high quality and supporting local manufacturing. If you prioritize products with domestic origin and robust construction, this mat is a solid choice. Its 4-section design also makes it highly versatile for various settings, from school to home. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.